Behind every global superstar is a story that often starts far away from the spotlight. Today, we are diving deep into the life of a man who didn't just break into the entertainment industry, he redefined it. From a quiet childhood in Chongqing to becoming a fashion icon and a powerhouse actor, this is the incredible journey of Xiao Zhan. Born on October 5, 1991 in Chongqing, Xiao Zhan's life was quite traditional at first. He started learning to draw at the age of 8, a skill that would later define his early career. He wasn't a child star. He was a student who focused on his craft. During his time at the Modern International Art Design Academy, he was known for his artistic talent. After graduating, he actually started his own design studio with friends. Can you imagine? The man we see on huge billboards was once sitting behind a computer screen, designing logos and editing photos just like many of us. This background gave him a unique perspective on aesthetics and hard work that he still carries today. Life took a dramatic turn in 2015, at 24, an age many consider late for the idol industry. Xiao Zhan joined the survival show X-Fire. He had no professional training in dance or singing, but his determination was unmatched. He famously practiced until his toes bled, refusing to give up. He eventually debuted with the group X9. While he gained some fans, the path wasn't easy. He spent years playing supporting roles in web dramas, slowly honing his acting skills. He was waiting for that one opportunity that would change everything. That opportunity arrived in 2019 with the drama The Untamed. His portrayal of Wei Wuxian was nothing short of a masterpiece. He captured the character's transition from a playful youth to a burdened hero so perfectly that he became an overnight sensation worldwide. But stardom brought its own set of challenges. Xiao Zhan faced immense pressure and professional hurdles that would have broken most people, yet he returned stronger. Whether it's his role in modern dramas like The Sea in the Dream or his powerful stage performances, he continues to prove that he is more than just a pretty face. He is a dedicated actor with incredible range. Today, Xiao Zhan isn't just an actor. He is a symbol of perseverance. From a designer to a global icon, he reminds us that it's never too late to chase a dream if you're willing to put in the work. Beyond acting, he is the king of brand power. Just this year, he was the star of Milan Fashion Week, invited by both Gucci and Tod's on the same day. He is also the global face for L'Oreal Pro and NARS. When Xiao Zhan endorses a product, it doesn't just sell. It sells out in minutes. This Xiao Zhan effect is why he remains the most sought-after partner for luxury brands worldwide. Which Xiao Zhan drama is your absolute favorite? Is it the legendary The Untamed or his more recent works? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through his life, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into your favorite stars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.